The audiobook market is exploding. Are you ready to bring your story to life with the power of voice? At Global Publishing Network, we make it happen. We offer end-to-end production. You get skilled voice artists, crisp editing, and professional mastering that meets strict Audible and ACX standards. Let's look at our packages. The starter package is just $249, perfect for short books up to 20,000 words. You get professional narration and strict ACX mastering, full metadata integration and global distribution, all delivered in 5 to 7 business days. For mid-length books, choose our standard package for $499. This covers manuscripts up to 50,000 words. This includes professional voice casting, expert studio editing, cover art formatting, and a global launch in just 7 to 10 business days. For full-length novels aiming for global impact, the premium package is $999, covering up to 100,000 words. We handle premium voice talent, strict ACX mastering, full platform integration, and a worldwide release in 10 to 14 business days. Best of all, we handle the entire submission process. Your finished audiobook will launch globally on Audible, Amazon, ACX, Voices, Apple Books, and Kobo. How does it work? Place your order, and we will send you 2 to 3 professional narrator samples. You choose the perfect voice for your story. Finally, we handle the metadata, categories, and cover integration, pushing your final audiobook to major retailers for maximum discoverability. Next, our team records, edits, and masters your book. We share sample chapters for your review, so you can approve the final, polished cut. Let your story be heard worldwide. Book a free Zoom consultation, email us, or message us on WhatsApp today at globalpublishingnetwork.com.